Hi guys, how are you all? I think everyone is happy with their life, and you guys, I think all of enjoying the life. So today, welcome again in my channel Vision with Vidut. Today I want to say one another application where you get chance to talk with foreigner. The application name is HelloTalk. You get this application easily in Play Store. So how to connect with foreigner and what the features of this application? First of all, this application is completely free. You will get daily 90 minutes. Okay, and I think 1 hour 30 minutes is enough for learner. So first here you can talk in group conversation, even you can talk with foreigner in this application. I guide you like how to open, how to talk. I'm not make proper video how to use, but I can show you like how to use this application and how to work. If you want a detailed video about this application, then you can comment, or if you don't know how to use, you should message me in Instagram. I will definitely help you. Personally, I will help you in Insta. So I'm going to show you how to this application work and open. Just see. Okay, the application name is HelloTalk. So hi guys, today I'm showing how to English practice in an application where you practice with foreigner. This is completely free. Okay, so this application and how to use it. This application most of the people don't know. When they come here they just confuse and they left. So today I will teach you how to use. So first open the application, and you should make your room or you should join any other. So I can see here my friend make his room, so I can join here and I can practice. So how to talk with foreigner here? Just join in here. Okay, and they now talk, so listen carefully.
¿Cuántos años tienes?
¿Cuántos años
Tienes.
tienes?
Tienes, so like a T, like tienes.
¿Tienes?
Mhm.
¿Tienes?
And then you say, if you're answering that,
So they are
Say it
guys
again.
talking each other.
¿Cuántos años
You can
tienes?
talk with them.
¿Cuántos
It's group
años
discussion. They're
tienes?
talking in a specific topic. So just
And then you-
listen one or two
and then you
minutes
reply
how
with
they
how old you are.
practice,
So
how
like
this
tengo,
application going.
¿Cuántos tienes?
¿cuántos años?
Ay, ¿cuántos años tienes? How do I say 27?
You say, tengo 27 años.
27
Tengo.
años.
You say, tengo.
I left from his room. Now I'm guide showing how to create your own room. This is the first page on this application. Okay, you just go the here is option voice room, number 4 option in your bottom side of your phone, and touch the microphone option of your upper side in the phone right side. Just touch there and give a title here, anything like I giving the title English practice, and I create start voice room. Now I start my voice room. Now many people will come. Just wait, you have to wait 1 minute or 2 minutes. People are coming for practicing. Okay, when they coming, they send you for coming the stage. If you accept their message, they can come on stage and you can talk with them. So how to create this, like here Subi come, so how to invite them I teach. Like just touch there and you can see the invite option. If they accept, then they can come on stage. Okay, so this is how the work application, and you can talk with them, and here you can talk with foreigner also. So it's your choice whom you want to talk, and this application is completely free, not completely, but you can get daily 90 minutes. So I think it's enough, and you get it from Play Store. And now I'm showing you how to talk with them. Hi Shubi, I'm making video bro for YouTube.
Say yes, Louis.
Yeah, talk.
Now you are using me in your video.
Yep, because I'm getting here.
Hello?
You are on the stage, you just talk like how to talk. I show them. Many people comment them, give application, group discussion. So I just upload this video for them. They want a application where they do practice with foreigner. They want to do group practice, so this is the good platform. Friend, I showing you how to use this application. Okay, first you download. If you don't know, you just without hesitation you can message me on Instagram. I will definitely guide you there how to use. But this application is really great application for beginner, for who is intermediate level, for all student. This is great application. Even one of the best features here, you get chance to talk with foreigner. That's the main thing here. You not only learn English, you should learn the culture, behavior. You can earn some experience about which country's people and about many country people. So I would like to suggest you please use this application, and if you face any problem you can message. So I just show you how the application open, how they join. I just show little bit here. I cut the video. If you don't know, you just message me. So at the end I would like to say, please try the application. If you think it helpful, then you will use. If you don't think it's not helpful, then you can delete. But for myself, I would like to suggest you, please, this is great application, download and practice here. So guys, see you in next video. Bye, take care.